Scorpion's over here. She just likes to sit up sometimes.
No. No.
What kind of bug is Ashley?
Beetle.
A beetle? And what kind of bug is Daddy?
Snail.
A snail? And what about Mommy?
A scorpion.
A scorpion. What about Ella?
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Ooh, all the bugs are in the bed together, Ella. Aww. Are we keeping you up, Missy? Are we keeping you up?
Hi. Hi, sweet girl.
What are the bugs gonna do today?
Eat the breakfast.
Oh, eat breakfast. What are the bugs gonna eat for breakfast?
Bug food.
Bug food? Oh, what is bug food? French toast? Mmm. Delicious. And what else?
Scorpion, you eat bugs?
Yeah, scorpions love to eat bugs.
You eat beetles?
No, I just kiss the beetles and I kiss the ladybugs. Miss Ladybug, what do you eat?
Ladybug food.
Ladybug food? Oh, that's good. What is ladybug food?
Snail food.
You eat snail food?
No.
No.
I eat ladybug's food.
You eat ladybug's food? What is ladybug's food? Broccoli? That's delicious.
Hi,
And
sweetie.
chicken?
Hi, sweetie.